All right, welcome back to Cruise Control, and today we do a follow-up video on the upcoming 2023 Chevrolet Z06 with that beautiful flat plane crank V8. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so I already did a video on this upcoming vehicle, but there's a few announcements that Chevy just did yesterday. Number one thing, they let this engine rev to its glorious red line, and we actually know what that red line is. 8,600 RPM. That is fantastic news. I'm going to pause for a moment, let you guys hear it for yourself.
Those feelings that I had from the race car, it's right here in the Z06.
Oh, it revs so hard!
Beautiful.
Yeah, isn't that so good? Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this vehicle. Listen, I'm about to make a comparison and you guys will laugh. I drive a Honda. Yes, I know it's a really silly comparison, but my Honda revs to 8,200 RPM. I own an '09 Civic Si Coupe in orange pearl. Beautiful manual transmission, revs to 8,200. My buddy has his revving to 8,600. So I'm very excited for this engine. Now I know a flat plane crank V8 is nothing like a K24 cylinder, but I just love naturally aspirated engines that rev so high. Another vehicle that I love so very much is a Shelby GT350 with that 5.2 liter, the Tremec 6-speed. The way that thing sounds is just so aggressive. This Z06 is a bargain Ferrari. And I pose the question to you right now. Why buy a Ferrari when you can get a Chevy Corvette for under $100,000? Yes, there'll be dealership markup. Eventually, we'll be able to get it for under $100,000. This is going to start probably around $85,000, $86,000. Still a lot of money, but over 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated, 5.5 liter, an engine that sounds this good. Are you kidding me? I'm in. Listen, let's make my channel make money. This is the car that'll be the poster boy. Let's get this for my channel. Come on, guys. I just need subscribers. Go ahead and hit that like button. Let's do this. What do you guys think of the new Corvette? Would you guys get it? Would you buy something else? My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one. Oh, and one small little teaser. We're going to try to do our first premiere launch. This actually is going to be released from Chevy on October 26th. And this is going to be the first time with my channel that I try to do that. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm excited for this car. All right. Have a good one.